This is part 2. Oh. Is there anything to eat? No. What if we take a fruit? No, we're gonna talk about this forever. Who's gonna eat it? But what, did you hear that? Oh no, it went down. Who's gonna eat it? You're not eating that. Hey! What did I talk? We have the biggest rep before. Okay. Okay, we need the nap. It's bright. Now does everybody. Oh no! We need to close the curtains. Yes, it's going down. Okay. Okay, well, now it's up. There's no neighbor anymore. It's got the security camera. The protect. 1 minute later. Oh, it's only been 1 minute since we're there. Alright. We're gonna go to this fridge and eat. Yeah. Let's eat the vegetables, right? Okay. Okay. These baby wants to eat the lettuce. No, they hate lettuce. That's right. Oh, this. You're disgusting. Did you just swallow your poop? Okay, I need to change your diapers. Okay, there. If you're happy now. Guys, there's no time to celebrate. Okay. What you need is... Wait, why is it not working? It's not working because it's gone. The neighbors are gone. So hurry up now. Okay, we need to eat food. Enoki mushrooms. Luckily we saved that. Who eat the enoki mushrooms?
Hey!
Disgusting. I don't eat the enoki mushrooms.
What's homemade, sweetie?
There. Okay. Oh, I need poo. Okay. I need to go to the second floor. Wait, why is there a balloon there? I don't have the internet, please. After they went to the second floor. Alright. I'm in the second floor. Please hurry. Get out of the balloons. Icky there. Why didn't it digest the enoki mushrooms? What's going on? Well, that's just nothing. Let's go to the first. Hello. What? Did I just? No. Oh no, we need lights. Okay. Oh no, everything's dark. Well, luckily we. Okay, that's the light. We have to blow. Easy. Okay, now we're going to survive hungry. Okay. Who's doing that? That's. Okay, now. Our neighbors are destroyed. No, they have to go.
Oh my gosh. The house looks... it looks wonderful. Wow.
Destroy us. Stop the flooding. Everything kitty food. I told you our neighbors are destroyed. You're right. There's turn this one. Woo. What is what I told you? Still. Okay, is this only part 2? I don't know. We don't know why. I wonder why. No. So that's it. This is the one. Why you guys are moving? I said stop flickering. Okay, we're stinking. Need to go to the shower. Okay, let's go to the shower. Where's the shower? I don't know. We need to add some pictures. Where are the pictures? The wild horse are painting like you just moving in the rug. Wait, there's no time to sleep. Wait, where's the shower? Okay, I need to pay some money. Oh, the shower is right there. Hey, don't do that. Let's do this. That's it. Okay, yeah. Okay. Wait, does it work? Oh, it's working! Guys, it will be done in 1 minute. Please get prepared. 1 minute? It still works. Wait, what's South Park? Is that a commercial? No, not commercials. Spice noodles. What are space noodles? Okay, we have to hurt on the showers. That's what I'm saying that. Wait, please. Oh, yes. 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 8:20. 20. Stop. Come on. Oh, nothing. Get out of your shower. Okay, what is... Okay. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,